Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one.
Welcome back, guys. I'm here with Cynosure here. Once more, it's the same packaging as usual. So let's get into it. Okay, hold on. Here's the wig. We're gonna get into it in a few. I also got a headscarf branded Cynosure. And then I got a pair of wig caps. And then finally in our package, as usual, we got a pair of lashes. Alright, so those are all the goodies. So for today's wig, we are working with a gorgeous 13 by 4 right across. It's literally 13 by 4 lace front wig. This is like a beautiful ginger or like an auburn type of color, and this is 26 inches, guys. 26 inches when stretched, of course. These waves are so pretty, so intact. The hair feels very soft. You know that standard vibe? Yeah, I usually this color has grown on me so much over time, so I really love it. Also, the front hair is nicely pre-plucked. I love that little gradation going on. It's really nice and very realistic looking. And for the inside of the cap construction, there's a total of 4 combs on the inside, as well as adjustable straps in the back to ensure more security. So yeah, that's literally it. In terms of the density, I'll be sure to list all specifications down below in my description box, so please go ahead and check that out. Alright, so now that I show you guys today's wig, let's go ahead and jump into applying this. I'm just going to be using my Ebin lace spray to install this wig today. So this is also a medium cap size. Feels pretty nice and snugged. I will still have to cut off a little bit of the ear, like around the ear part, but I mean, it's not a lot. I'm just so excited for this color. I know it's already going to be so pretty, and then it fits perfectly. So now all I need to do is just take my spray, and I'm gonna just spray it right along the hairline, you know the drill, and I dry it down with some cool air.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand?
Let's talk about this lace. What? Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is so natural looking, guys. Go ahead and cut off the excess lace. I'm so pumped. Like, honestly, this looks so good, guys. Honestly, like, super. So now I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna do a classic center part, and I'm gonna redefine these waves, you know, give it that nice big body wave look. I mean, the curls, the waves that came with it look pretty good, but you know, for like the top portion, I want to really get it nice and, like, you know, defined. So I'm just gonna take my time, you know, the usual, get my hot comb and really just work on laying the top. this wig so far, guys. You see the front, super flat. It's not super dense at all, so it lays really flat, giving it a very realistic look. So I'm very pleased with that. You see how flat that lay? And it's really in like one go, because I didn't have to go throughout the hair in order for it to lay. This is how the hair looks without, you know, anything done to it. Straight out the packaging. It's gorgeous, actually. So if you want to go ahead and leave it like this, you can. You most definitely can. What I'm gonna do though isn't gonna take much time, because I'm just gonna run through it. So I'm just gonna get started, and I'm gonna speed through this portion.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need.
So I'm completed with, you know, redefining these waves. So now I'm just going to use my fingers to comb through it. I'm going to add a little bit of layers in the front. Whenever you feel like the front curls aren't falling like in the best way that you think they could, just add some layers. And that will do the trick. Okay, that is looking good. It was such an easy install. This hair is so pretty. Look at that. Nothing prettier to me than like some really nice voluminous waves. Like, that's like the sexiest hair look to me. Like, it's like, you really can't beat that. You know, it's giving classy. You know, it's just, I love it. And then this color, perfect for spring, perfect for summer. I feel like this color is honestly perfect all year round, because you catch me anytime and I'm wearing this hair color, I'm gonna be like, it's perfect for this time. I'm just always in the mood. Ever since I rediscovered, like, ever since I gave this hair color a chance, I've really and truly been loving it. Okay, but yeah, this is how the hair turned out, guys. That's it. That is literally it. It was really easy to work with, really easy to install. Shout out to Cynosure hair again, because honestly and truly, I've been getting wigs from Cynosure hair for a long time, and I can tell you, up to this day, I mean, I would not still be getting wigs from them if I didn't think that their wigs were good, you know. So yeah, so I love the fact that this hair was really like soft. It was easy to work with, very easy to style. I love the hairline. It's very flat, it's not too dense. They did a really good job in pre-plucking, so that is a 10. My thing is, I really wish it would shed less. It's not like a lot of shedding, but I wish the shedding was less. And I also have to bear in mind that I did cut off lace from the sides, and that will always, you know, accelerate the amount of shedding that you get. So that's just something to note. I don't really have any other complaints. You know, the hair is holding up nice. It is a really nice body wave hair, body wave wig. And I feel like if you want nice, big, sexy, voluminous waves, I feel like it's always good to go with a body wave texture. You know, I mean, you could do straight too, but with straight texture, you're probably going to have to add like some holding spray, you know, and that's gonna make it all product-y like, and you know, it's all about preference at the end of the day. So yeah, that's it for today's wig look, guys. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link as usual. You know, I'm not going to do the video without tell you all about where you can go and find the information. So you can go and find the direct link to shop this wig if you're interested, as well as the specifications. Everything will be listed in my description box. Shout out to Cynosure here once more for today's wig look. And thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, if you found it informative, go ahead and give it a like and stay tuned for my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.
Everything you do, it's me love, everything about you.